Welcome back to CAD Show, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for SketchUp. In today's video, we're exploring the Selection Toys plugin for SketchUp. This plugin, developed by ThomThom, offers advanced selection tools that go beyond the default SketchUp capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Selection Toys will save you time and improve your modeling efficiency. Let's get started. Installing Selection Toys. First things, let's install the plugin. Open SketchUp and go to the extension warehouse. Search for Selection Toys by ThomThom and click on Install. Once installed, you'll see a new toolbar with several icons representing the various selection tools available. Once installed, you'll notice a new toolbar with several icons. Let's break down these features one by one. Number 1. Select Edges. The Select Edges tool is designed to isolate all edges within your current selection. This is incredibly useful when you need to work specifically on the outlines or wireframe structure of your model. For instance, if you want to adjust or inspect the edges without affecting faces, groups, or components, this tool will be your go-to. To use this tool, simply select the parts of your model you're interested in. Click on the Select Edges icon and watch as all edges within your selection are highlighted. This allows for precise adjustments and detailed editing. Number 2. Select Faces. Next, we have the Select Faces tool. This tool isolates all faces within your current selection, making it easier to apply textures, colors, or modify the surfaces without touching the edges, groups, or components. It's particularly useful for material management and surface editing. To use Select Faces, select the desired area in your model. Click the Select Faces icon, and only the faces will remain selected. This focus selection helps streamline tasks like painting, texturing, or surface manipulation. Number 3. Select All Groups. The Select All Groups in Current Selection tool is perfect for quickly highlighting all groups within your selection. This tool is a lifesaver when managing complex models with multiple grouped elements. To use this tool, select a portion of your model that contains groups, then click on the Select All Groups icon. All groups within your selection will be highlighted, making it easier to manage grouped entities, whether for editing, moving, or inspecting. Number 4. Select All Components. With the Select All Components in Current Selection tool, you can easily isolate all components within your selection. This is particularly handy when dealing with repetitive elements or when you need to modify specific components. Select the desired part of your model, click on the Select All Components icon, and all components in your selection will be highlighted. This tool is invaluable for tasks like batch editing or inspecting components. Number 5. Deselect All Edges. The Deselect All Edges in Current Selection tool helps you refine your selection by removing all edges from it. This is great for focusing on faces, groups, and components without the distraction of edges. To use this tool, make your initial selection, click on the Deselect All Edges icon, and all edges will be removed from your selection, leaving you with only the faces, groups, and components. Number 6. Deselect All Faces. Select your desired area. Click the Deselect All Faces icon, and all faces will be removed from the selection. This tool is perfect for focusing on the structural elements of your model. The Deselect All Faces in Current Selection tool allows you to remove all faces from your current selection, leaving only edges, groups, and components. Number 7. Deselect All Groups. With the Deselect All Groups in Current Selection tool, you can refine your selection by removing all groups. This makes it easier to focus on individual elements like faces, edges, and components. To use this tool, select the desired area, click on the Deselect All Groups icon, and all groups will be removed from your selection, allowing for more detailed editing of other elements. Number 8. Deselect All Components. Finally, the Deselect All Components in Current Selection tool allows you to remove all components from your selection, ideal for when you need to focus on other elements like faces, edges, or groups. Select your desired area, click the Deselect All Components icon, and all components will be removed from the selection, providing a cleaner workspace for editing other parts of your model. Let's see Selection Toys in action with a practical example. Imagine you have a complex model with multiple layers, materials, and components. Using selection toys, you can quickly isolate, modify, and inspect different parts of your model with ease. By combining these tools, you can create highly customized selections. For example, you might use Select Faces to paint textures on surfaces while using Deselect All Edges to avoid modifying the wireframe. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips to get the most out of selection toys. Combine tools for more complex selections. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Regularly update the plugin to access new features and improvements. Combining tools like Select Edges with Deselect All Faces can help you focus on specific elements without starting from scratch. Additionally, setting up keyboard shortcuts for frequently used tools will save time and make your workflow more efficient. And there you have it. Selection Toys is an essential plugin for anyone looking to enhance their SketchUp experience. It's powerful, versatile, and will significantly improve your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CAD Show for more SketchUp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy modeling!